A rainy day. In India, summer season is very hot. Rivers, ponds, and wells dry up. The people brave the heat and pray for rain. The rains are very useful for crops and forest. Last year, it was middle of July and there was no sign of rain. Everyone waited the rains and wished for them. One day in the morning of 15th July, from a distance the clouds were seen. A cool wind began to blow. The weather became very pleasant. In no time the sky was overcast with clouds. There was thunder of lightning. Soon it began to rain heavily. The people in my colony were happy. They came out and danced with joy. Soon there was water anywhere. The streets and roads were flooded and we could not go to school. So our joy knew two bounds. My friends called me and we played a lot in the rain. We made paper boats and made them float in the water. It looked like sea with many ships going in all the directions. It continuously rained for 3 hours. Some people started leaving for their offices. Some people ran with their umbrella. People were running about here and there, but their faces were smiling. The trees and plants appeared green and fresh. After some time, the rain stopped. There was knee-deep water everywhere. The birds were out of their nest and flew around and chirped. The temperature came down and the weather was very cool now. Dust and heat had gone. My mother prepared breakfast of steaming hot pakoras. We ate them happily. Everybody seemed to be happy and gay. A rainy day in summer is always welcome. Thanks for watching.